This Sunday, there's a change to our
So then, that's where the rain is just at the moment through the night. It's going to stay more or less there. Some quite heavy rain over the hills particularly. And then later in the night, we'll start to see rather more in the way of rain probably coming across into Wales and down into southwestern parts of England. So the rain's sitting there tomorrow morning, still some heavy rain around, but down in the southeast, although a good deal of cloud, might be the odd patch or two of rain, but probably nothing very much, and somewhat clearer weather already getting into the far northern part of Scotland, down across in towards Northern Ireland as well. Now through the day we'll start to find that brighter weather continuing to feed its way southwards, but at the same time in the southeast the cloud thickening up to give some patchy rain, and then later on tomorrow afternoon, wet and windy weather coming back down across Scotland, across in towards Ireland too, and fairly windy weather, the winds getting up to gale force, particularly along those Irish Sea coasts. But at least it's going to be another very mild day, up as high as 10 degrees Celsius or 50 Fahrenheit. That's it. Very good night.
Boxing Day on BBC1. At 5:25, Russ Abbott flies in for another joke. Then at 6:05, Back to the Future.
Now I need your help to get back to the year 1985.
At 8, Bergerac is back.
Mr. Bergerac, other villages may have problems, but we do not expect it here in Saint-Armand.
At 9:40, Smith & Jones. Comedy with absolutely no mention of Christmas. And at 10:25, horror in Poltergeist 2.
They're back!
Toto live in Paris at 11:55. Boxing Day on BBC1.
Radio Times. Christmas just isn't the same without it.
Now on BBC1, there's Menace in Manhattan as Meryl Streep and Roy Scheider star in our psychological thriller, a film in which vice, passion and deceit sear through the still of the night.